Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of All Round Review. Hope everyone is good and staying safe. Today's video is the comparison between the Soundcore Q20 and this new Soundcore Q30, all by Anker. Well, as you guys all know, these are both noise cancellation headphones at very cheap prices, not like the flagship ones, but they're still very good headphones, and we're going to be breaking down all the differences between them, telling you which one to buy and should you upgrade if you already have the Soundcore Q20. Alright, let's get into it. First off, we're going to start with what both came out of the box with. So the Q20 here came out of the box with a small travel pouch where you can fix in your headphones if you're traveling or you want to take them around for protective measures. While the Q30 on the other hand came with this nice looking box here with a zip where you can pack your headphones in, and they look more fancy and nice, and though it takes up a lot of space if you if you still want to travel and have it in a box, so keep that in mind. And the Q20 here, as you can see, the buttons are underneath it where you have your volume keys, and the middle one is your pulse and bass up button. Then by the side you have your USB type B. Yes, the Q20 is using a USB type B here with your headphone jack, and to the other side you have your noise cancellation button and your power off button, your power on and off. Then the Q20 to the right, you have your nice looking slimmed down keys to fit the design of the Q20, your volume keys and your headphone jack. Then to the other side you have your noise cancellation button, your power key, and a USB type C port. This time around Anker corrected the mistake they did with the Q20 that I didn't like. Then as you can see, the Q20 is sitting aesthetically nice on this table because it has the design allows it to actually rotate very well, flex the headphones, so you can actually keep it to kiss the brothers. But the Q30 here, it's been prevented by the design. As you can see, it doesn't like rotate fully towards the edges, so the headphones can actually hug each other at this point. So something else to note here, the headphones the expanders are both made of metal. As you can see, the Q20 here has a metal expander, so is the Q30, but it's painted in black to aesthetically match the design of the headphone, which to me looks better and more matured. Both headphones have ear cups, obviously, but the Q30 has a bigger ear cups than the Q20. The Q20 has a smaller ear cup, which doesn't take up your whole ear or can actually cause more pressure. Both headphones actually flex 180 degrees and they can fold into whatever backpack you have or however you want to have it. So how do these headphones sound? Like, both are very awesome, believe me when I say that. But the Q30 sounds a little bit better to me. It has a more softer bass than the Q20. The Q20's bass is actually very extreme. They both sound nice, and both headphones are both noise cancellation headphones. But on the Q30 you don't only get noise cancellation, you get 3 different noise cancellation modes: indoor, outdoor, and transport. So you can toggle this from the headphone or from the Soundcore app. And also the Q30 has transparency mode, which the Q20 don't have. There's another big upgrade from the Q20s to the Q30s. You get transparency mode, ambient sounds, which fit your surrounding sounds back to your ear. And the Q30 supports the Soundcore app. With the Q30 you get a Soundcore app support where you can see your battery life, change, you get custom EQs. You can actually set your own EQ, have things the way you want it to be, or use predefined Soundcore EQs already in the app. While on the Q20 you don't get any app, you don't get any custom EQ support, but you get a bass up technology which adds more bass to your music. You can actually customize that. It's just on and off stuff. So if you want more bass, you can use the bass up technology. And without the bass up technology, this Q20 sounds very awesome, guys. It's very good. But with the bass up technology, you get extra bass pump to your music. So both headphones are very good. The Q20 looks aesthetically better to me. It has bigger ear cups, it's lighter. The Q22 is light though, but the Q30 it's a little bit lighter to me. I didn't weigh them, but I'm just talking of my feelings here from my observation having them on for a very long time. So if should you upgrade to the Q30 if you already have the Q20? I mean, yes, it's a big upgrade. You get a better noise cancellation with the Q30s. The noise cancellation on the Q20s are really average, to be honest. But with the Q30, you don't get the flagship level noise cancellation, but it works and it's better than that of the Q20. It's upgraded, like Anker said, and it's actually upgraded from my review. And the reviews of this both headsets are in our channel. If you want to watch them, you can click the link above to go to the reviews and watch the full reviews of this headset. And the Q30 also have transparency mode, which the Q20s don't. You get app support, and you also get updates from the app, firmware updates with the Q30, which you don't get on the Q20. So that's everything about these headphones, guys. That's all I can say. This the Q20 is it's a worthy your upgrade. It's what your upgrade. So if you have the extra cash, get these headphones. But if you don't have the extra cash to get the Q20, the Q30, I mean the Q20 is still a very good headset at that price. The price of the Q20 is around $59, while the Q30 is around $70 to $75. So the price differences are there. The price difference is there. So if you don't have the money to get the Q30, the Q20 it's very good. If you have the money to get the Q30, then you should obviously get this guy. I mean, the sound coming out from this guy is very, very good. Same as the Q20, but not up to the Q30. You guys already understand what I mean. The Q30 is good. It's a very good headset. So that's been it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and comment below if you have any questions or something we didn't talk about in this video. That's been it. I'm Isaac signing out here. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.